All right, so here we are. I'm in Austin right now, and I'm about to go pick up Lauren's ring. So, I don't know. I just wanted to do something a little bit fun, and all this will make sense at the end why I'm doing it this way. But I thought it would be something unique and kind of cool and different to do for the actual proposal. So that'll be coming pretty soon. So don't go anywhere. All right, that was quick and easy. This is on Friday actually. This is before the day before, so this is gonna be on a Saturday that I do this. But still got a little bit of work to do for the day, but I'm super excited. Everything went well, and everything's exactly how it should be. So let's hope everything goes well tomorrow. I'm pretty sure that it will, but fingers crossed. All right, people, it's go time. It's Saturday. Just got done playing golf. Played golf at 10:20 this morning. Shot a 91, by the way. Yeah, fantastic. And so I got home, showering, and we picked up the groceries. We're gonna start cooking here a little bit for the cooking video. So keep watching. It's gonna get better.
Sommelier, fill her up.
Ice cubes from the Evian region of France.
from the Evian region.
Yeah.
Okay, I always switched wines to the Snoop Dogg Cali Red, the 19 Crimes.
It's good too.
So good. We love 19 Crimes. We haven't drank that recently, but that used to be our go-to. That's all we drank.
It's pretty good. So.
That's real good. I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
Which one? Oh, just the Cali Red. It's like a red blend.
Mm-hmm.
I much prefer red blends and cabs, but those are my two faves.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so before we get to eating, toast.
A toast.
This is our anniversary dinner.
It is. Oh, the timer.
I mean, right on time, right?
The timer.
But yeah, everything's been amazing.
It is. I'm so excited for this meal.
Yeah,
We've been talking about this meal for a while.
I know.
The chicken breast. And I got our meat thermometer out, which I got Morgan for Christmas, and then I thought we lost it, but it's been in the drawer the whole time. So I measured the chicken, because I would have left it in longer, but I was like, well, let me just see. And it was already done. So we probably would have overcooked it had I not got that out. Amazing. I can't wait.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
It's going to be so good.
Yeah.
I'm pumped.
Cheers. I love you.
Cheers. I love you. Thank you for cooking.
Yeah. Thank you for putting up with me.
Yeah. Any day.
I love you.
I love you.
And
Kiwi.
past 4 years have been amazing.
They have. Love you.
In that case. Will you marry me?
Yes. Oh my God. Why am I sobbing? Oh my God, I love you. I love you so much. Oh my God. She's beautiful and huge. Oh my God. We got that on camera.
Yeah.
weekend, but there was nothing planned.
Oh.
So I was
That's
like, what's the big weekend? So I was like wondering. Oh my god. Obviously it didn't matter if I had any inkling. I immediately started sobbing. Okay, so we were just talking. Morgan was like, did you know? And I was like, I had a little bit of a feeling because he's been acting differently, or not really acting differently, but saying things all like since Sunday that I'm like, So on Sunday, he was saying he was like, don't forget, we're cooking dinner on Saturday, which like Morgan is never planning 6 days ahead. Morgan is like, what are we doing today?
I hate to plan 6 hours ahead.
Yeah, he cannot, and he wouldn't, even if we had plans Saturday, he would never in a million years bring up those plans because he would have already forgotten. So the fact that he like wanted to remind me that we were cooking at home, I was like, okay. And then at one morning this week, and I'm so mad I didn't get it on camera because I was filming that morning, so it must have been Tuesday. He was like, he walked out of the bedroom, I'm like in the kitchen doing whatever, prepping a lunch. And he's like, we've got a fun weekend. He like stopped himself from saying we have a big weekend. And I just ignored it and kept it to myself.
I didn't realize that I did that.
And then, what were the other ones I told you? There was like a couple things that I was like, you didn't notice, but you were definitely like, he had a couple clues. And okay, but then I thought it wasn't gonna happen. Because I was like, oh, maybe I thought wrong. Or like I knew it was happening, but maybe it wasn't gonna happen tonight. Because he went and grabbed us some more wine, and I was like, well, that's like a pretty typical thing.
Yeah, so it was gonna happen at a toast, and then
we drank all the wine.
We both drank a couple glasses of wine, and we were almost out. And she was like, "We need more wine." I was like, "Yes, yeah, you're right. We do need more wine." So I had to run out and go get some.
Yeah. So then when he was gone, I was like, well, I don't think it's gonna happen tonight because that's like a typical like that would happen on a normal cooked dinner night. I would send him on a wine run. Like, that's not unusual. So I was like, no, I probably overthought it. And we have, like, one of my best high school friends. We have plans next weekend. She's in town from Colorado with, like, our other high school friends. Yeah. And then the weekend after that, we're going to another friend's wedding, one of my college friends. So, like, the whole college friend group will be there. And we're going to, like, get lunch, I think, that day. Like, we have other things planned for that weekend. Like, obviously, he wouldn't propose at somebody's wedding. But I was like, I'm about to see friends, so maybe it's going to happen, like, with friends or whatever. So I was like, hey, maybe it's not tonight.
I didn't want to steal any thunder from their wedding.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, it was true. Everybody was coming in town, and I honestly didn't want to wait anymore.
And now I'm so excited to see everybody. Like, I was already excited to see everybody. It's a fun month because it's very unusual. One, that I get to see all of these people more than once a year. And two, that I'll get to see them and we can, like, celebrate the engagement.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Look at it. I mean, gorgeous. Are you kidding? It's a rock. It's a rock. I die. It's big fun. So now I have a wedding to plan.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Joke's on him. I've been planning it for 4 years. Chancey, your mother's getting married. I mean, she's a rock. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed.